Alam mo ba na pag gumagastos ka, lalo kang yumayaman? Hello mga success, this is John Calub, Philippines #1 success coach. And for our success tip of the day, I'm going to talk to you about the law of circulation. Andito tayo sa Ombo in Egypt, one of the sacred temples here. Well, very simple, no? Yung law of circulation, kailangan natin maintindihan na hindi natin pwedeng tabi lang yung pera natin pag kumikita tayo. A part of it, kailangan matutunan mo siyang circulate. Meaning circulate, palitan mo ng word na spend. No? Ibig sabihin, gastusin. Because remember this, no? Ang ibig sabihin ng law of circulation, whenever we spend money, more money comes to us. When we ever circulate or spend money, mas dumadami yung pera natin. So, don't be a Scrooge. Huwag mong ilagay lang sa shoebox or itabi lang lahat ng pera mo tuwing kumikita ka. Marami sa atin, ilalagay lang natin sa bangko lahat, tinatabi natin sa shoebox. Kailangan din, balanse ka. Meron kang ipon, pero at the same time, matuto ka rin na enjoyin yung pera mo. The more you spend with the happiness, with joy, the more nagiging positive ka na tao. And when you have positive vibes, you elevate your frequency, more money ang dadating sa'yo. So, be sure to always circulate your money. Don't be afraid to spend money. Pag gumagastos ka, lalo kang yumayaman. So, this is Sir John Calub. I hope you got something today here in Egypt. And always say yes to success.